noroboti korwa ase kiombekeria gekuringuria amariogo yogotindekia na kada asomokonyi bw'omugavana we county ya Kisii Omosike Elijah Obebo litukuria rero abagakora emiroberio yokurwania amariogo yogotindia ase bunge ya Bubasi esegi yo nigo yabereke gosegetwa amone kiombekeria gekurwania amariogo yogotindia gosena kada na nigo kirachie kogenderera gosenige esegi yo irachie kogenderera ase chinsemo au ili kubwaterana amone county ya Kisii emiroberio yiboigo nigo irachie kogenderera asense ya Kenya engima
igo twachire gaiga ase gisaisi kiana kada geombekeria gekurwania okunywa marua mange n'ebindi byose bigotindia na bitu abilonchirire rero bachire ku national office erinde tachosomia abantu baito amangana y'ibinyugu ebiga n'amariogo ari akunywa yogotindia obachire baborokererie babasomie erinde bamanyenga amadara nararoro bintu biri byokorekana ebibe ekitabi chikoso kitari chingia na mono gosaria obwamato buya ase chinka jito na ase chi ese binyoro byito bachire gaiga kwa niaba y'omushimu Paul Simbarati oyo tarengange na achire kolonch ire tuchaka mangana iyo yogosomia abantu baito ase county ya Itengima rero twachake chi ward 18 yenere yemo achire 18 na mabinto gendete paka Friday irinda abantu baito bamanyenga inki the dangers obobe wa drugs obobe wa alcohol inki binde bigosababisha asa maisha y'abantu as a society.
Doing education. So today we have come here to talk to our people about drug abuse and what effect it has on our own lives and on especially the lives of our young people. Because we are losing quite a number of our young people due to drug abuse. So we are here to see how can we work together as a community to combat this problem. In our homes, let's start from our homes, in our schools, in our learning. We have learning institutions here in Kisii, and we are really passionate about helping the young people to realize their dreams. And the message I'm going to send out today is starting from our homes, right from where we stay as families. How do we identify, how do we deal with this menace in the community?
Wanaweka hapa chini ya ulimi. Na kuna hivi vizazi huwa wanajaribu kukimbia hapa na pale wakisema ya kwamba pombe, wengine wanakunywa pombe kwa sababu wanataka kutoa ile kitu ambayo wanaita stress, wengine wanajaribu kunywa kwa sababu ya peer pressure, wengine wanakunywa pombe kwa sababu hawajitambui. So tuko hapa educate hao wanarika na watu wote kwa jumla ya kwamba ulevi hailipi. Hii Kisii County tunataka ikue county ambayo inadumisha usafi wa kimwili, usafi wa afya na usafi ambapo tunasema hatuhitaji dawa za kulevya ili kuishi.
Ki abasae bagusi rather Kisii County wetera serikali yo mugavana Simbarati turabwatirane torolenga we are elevating abasae to another level elinde to make sure we are reducing gosengo punguza tole ebiwango biria abasae bagotumia amariogo